Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this lovely dashing beautiful clutch purse. Please this tutorial is going to be in two phases, and this is the part one of the tutorial. Guys, please watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Thank you, I love you all, and God bless you. So guys, this is the pattern that I'll be working with today. Guys, I've already notched the center of this pattern. So here in this pattern we have the back, the upper base, and the flap, and also we have the front pattern as well. So please guys, make sure you watch this video very well, and it's a bit complicated, but if you watch it well you'll be able to get it right. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to bring out the width and the length. So the length is 11.1 and the width is 8 inches. So for the back and the front has to be the same measurements. Then your flap, your upper base, so this is how it's gonna look like. So right now guys, what I'm trying to do is to use my pattern to sketch out the leather board of what I'll be working with. Guys, today I'm using Okitex leather board. I'm not using Chemtex. It's a bit scarce in the market, so I had to use my Okitex. So guys, after sketching this out, I'm just going to use my scissors to trim it out and gum it with my foam. Now I'm sketching out the front part of my leather board using my pattern to bring out the front part of my leather board. After that, then the main body that has the upper base, the flap, and the back, I'm going to be splitting it into two. But before splitting it into two, I'm just going to bring out the inner part of the leather board from my chipboard. So I'm just going to place it like this and then use my pen to trace it out. Now we have the back, we have the front, we have the upper base, and we have the flap. So right now I'm taking out the back part. I'm cutting it, like I'm using my scissors to cut it into two. Then my upper base is 1.5 inches. That is where I have my upper base. So I'm just gonna use my pen to mark it, and after marking it, the next thing is to gum it with my foam. Now I'm through with the old curtain, and the next thing is to gum it with my foam. Guys, I'm making use of a flat foam, not a thick foam. I make use of flat foam for my fabric. Now I'm through gumming them together, just using my scissors to trim out the excess foam. Okay guys, I'm through with the pattern. So a lot of you ask me where I get my materials from. Okay, this is the material I'll be making use for this job. Where I get this material from is directly from China. Directly from China, and a customer usually supply me these materials. So guys, it's a very lovely material, and it's very suitable to work with. Now the next thing is to start gluing my material, my fabric, to my leather board. So guys, I'm through gluing everything together, all the materials, the upper base, the front and the back. The next thing I'm going to be doing right now um, is to glue the back and the upper base together. And after I glue it, then I'm just going to stitch by using my straight sewing machine. Now the next thing is to stitch the upper base and the back together. Guys, for this bag I'll be making use of gluing method. I'm not going to be making use of my cylinder arms machine. I want you to be able to make a bag without having your cylinder machine. If you don't have your cylinder machine or your post bed, you can still make your bag very neat and beautiful by making use of this method. I am doing this method basically because of my subscribers. So please guys, watch this tutorial to the end. Watch every bit of this video. Watch both the first phase and the second phase for better understanding, and watch it to the end so that you can be able to do it better than what I am doing it right now. So guys, I'm done stitching everything. I mean, the front, the back, and the upper beads. I'm done stitching it together. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is to stitch the front part of the bag. I'm through with the outer part of the bag, so I'm going to be doing the inner part of the bag, which is the chipboard. The chipboard, yes. So I'll be wrapping it with my black lining. Guys, you have to make sure that your inner lining is not too short and is not too long, so you have to be careful of how you trim both the up and the down and the sides. You have to be very, very careful. You have to trim it well and make sure that it comes out well. Guys, after the lining of the inner part of the bag, then the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to bring out my corset, and I'll be making use of Marco for my corset. So the next thing is to bring out my corset, the measurement of my corset. Guys, if you watch carefully, you will know that you will notice that the measurement for the outer part of the bag is different from the measurement of the inner part of the bag. So you have to reduce it so that it can fit in, you know. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please guys, watch out for the second phase coming out soon. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, guys. I love you all, and God bless you.